Steel casing screw piles are a form of cast in situ piles where the steel casing remains in the ground. This is a soil displacement, low vibration pile system. Steel casing screw piles are suitable for both compressive and tensile loads. The soil displacement ensures that the bearing capacity is higher, with the additional benefit that hardly any soil comes to the surface as a result of drilling. Steel casing screw piles are particularly suited to projects that require a low level of vibration and/or low noise installation, and to sites with limited working height and/or sites that are difficult to access. Steel casing screw piles can be used to repair foundations, interior commercial flooring, noise barriers, urban renewal, infrastructure, and on sites that are difficult to access. Vroom Funderingstechnieken has both large and mini piling rigs available to screw in the steel casings. The casing is screwed into the ground segment by segment using the piling rig's powerful drill attachment. To reduce resistance and, in so doing, make the process easier, grout can be injected as a lubricant. This also ensures that there is greater load-bearing capacity. The first segment to be inserted has a special screw point. Each segment that follows is inserted into the previous one and welded together. The grout lance will be extended and the seam is welded together to form a watertight seal all around. The drill depth depends on the sort of ground. The casing is then filled with concrete. The reinforcement is inserted either before or after the concrete is poured, depending on the length. If there is sufficient space, a large piling rig is used to screw a steel casing to cover the entire length into the ground. These steel casing screw piles are closed at the bottom and have a special screw point with grout feed and grout lance. The steel casing remains in the ground. The steel casing screw pile must be torch cut to the correct height after installation.